On this platform, you download the app, you sign up, you watch and enjoy your favorite videos, and you will win points, earn rewards, gift cards, and take surveys, and you will make money. Today's video, I'm going to show you a platform that makes you money just by watching YouTube videos and your favorite TV shows, all for free, and you will make money. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejobajon, and on this channel, CampusHutzle, we talk on how you can make money online in Nigeria as a total beginner in 2024. And in today's video, I'm bringing to you a platform that gets you paid just by signing up, watching and enjoying your favorite videos, participating in surveys, and you'll be able to make money. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. So to get to this platform, go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword known as media rewards. So you get to this platform. When you get to this platform, it's available also on Apple Store if you are using an iOS, or it's also available on Google Play Store if you are using Android. So after you take from Google Chrome, you'll be able to get to this interface. So you download this app, you sign up, you watch your favorite TV shows and YouTube videos, and you'll be able to make cash. So this platform is known as Media Reward. So Media Reward is a platform that you watch TV and YouTube and you earn reward. It's available on Google Play Store and it's also available on the App Store. It says earn reward just by watching TV, YouTube, and listening to the radio. To start earning gift cards and prizes, just install the app and leave it in the background, as easy as it sounds. So just install this app, open it after you have signed up, and leave it to be running in the background, and you'll be able to make money, just as you can see here on this platform. It uses no battery. That means it doesn't even touch your battery. As you can see, it says low battery usage. It takes only 1% of your battery per hour. It says low data usage. It doesn't even take your data, and your privacy, your audio recorded is private and is very, very secure. So this is one of the passive app I'm bringing out that you can use to make money just by watching videos and YouTube. As you can see here, these are videos. You watch it to the end, just 1 minute 57 seconds, and you'll be able to earn money. So if you want to know more about this platform, you can come here. You see FAQ, that is the frequently asked questions. You see when a prize draws paid, you can see how can I get more surveys to participate in, how can you cash out your money. You can cash out your money either through gift card or through PayPal. So you can come here and know more about them by clicking on their FAQ, and you get to know more about them. So this is a platform that gets you paid just by watching YouTube videos and your favorite TV shows. This platform is known as Media Reward. Go and try it out and drop your comments in the comment section. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can come here and also get value. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.